Have you heard about our new workshop, Team Approach to Wound Management? We're offering 2 places for the price of 1. So vets, go find one of your nurses or techs and join us. And nurses, go tell your vets about this workshop, Team Approach to Wound Management. We're offering streamed sessions for vets and nurses and techs, where you will bridge the gap between learning and doing with our comprehensive practicals. We're also offering combined sessions, which focus on knowledge, communication, and collaboration, so that you can step back into practice and enjoy the cohesive team approach and better patient outcomes. And don't forget about how well VetPrac looks after you with amazing food, social dinners, and massages. Join VetPrac and the exceptional Kat Cross, who is incredible at sharing her expertise and making sure that you have fun along the way. Team Approach to Wound Management is on February 6 and 7, 2021. And for more details, check out our website, vetprac.com.